This is a video that's going through Common Rule number 4, which is really related to Common Rule number 3. It's just going over the fact that if you're using the word that in a sentence, it is going to be considered essential even if you think you could take it out. The word which sometimes is essential, and often it is considered non-essential. So in the example, you can see the book that you grabbed is not the right one. It uses the word that, and some people might mistakenly try to take this part out and put commas on both sides. So it would say the book is not the right one. However, that you grabbed is actually very necessary here to tell you which book we're specifically talking about. And anytime you see the word that, it's going to be something that's essential. The movie Her, which I really enjoyed, is about artificial intelligence in the future. This is an example that uses the word which in a non-essential way. So which I really enjoy could be taken out of that sentence and it would still make perfect sense. You're not losing anything important. The movie Her is about artificial intelligence in the future. And the examples I give you generally, which is going to be an example that's non-essential. However, there are some cases where it would be essential, like I need to know which one to grab. Here, if you tried to take anything out around which, like maybe which one, you'd end up with something weird like I need to know to grab. So there's nothing that we could really take out of this sentence and still have it make sense. So for that reason, in this case, which would be essential. But usually it's non-essential and it gets these commas that again act just like parentheses in the sentence, meaning that it's something extra and this part of the sentence could be taken out. That's it for Common Rule number 4. Just remember that if it uses the word that, it's a signal to you that it does not need any commas. Right? If you are still finishing this part up from yesterday, make sure to answer those 4 questions on this sheet and then move on to the warm-up for today before starting the videos for the new Common Rules. Thank you.